Okay, I should be streaming now. It's John from Edgetone Studios. I'm just doing a test live stream here because today it's July 8th, 2024. Today at 1 p.m. Pacific Daylight Savings Time, I'll be doing a session on ditcommunity.com on how to use OBS and how to use it for live streaming your music. And I'm going to cover sort of setup. I'm going to cover kind of finding your way around OBS as a software, and then some of the gear you'll need in order to do a live stream with music, as simple as a webcam or as more complicated as multi-cameras with a video switcher. I'm not sure this is actually streaming because it hasn't shown up in my YouTube up here yet, but maybe it says no live stream, so I don't know. Oh yeah, now it's showing. Okay. So yeah, I'm just sort of showing how you can switch between a camera like this, which I've got plugged into a capture card, and then use a scene to go over to a webcam. So these are side by side above my monitor right now. And then the video switcher, which basically is this ATEM Mini. I've got the ISO Pro now, or Pro ISO, because I wanted to be able to record 4 cameras simultaneously. And the reason I want to do that is because I'm bringing in bands to do recordings for my YouTube channel, and I want to be able to have multi-shots, because watching, listening to music is great, but if you're watching a band perform, you want to have a couple angles, so that's great. I've got sort of a control room shot here, so potentially if there were musicians isolated in here playing, that could be one of the shots. I've got the studio camera main shot, which would be sort of the band and drummer, and then normally I'd have 2 other shots, but I'm using those cameras here right now for this test. And one of the shots is by default above the drums, but it could be somewhere else, and the other one will be on a tripod somewhere in the room set up facing the musicians. So that's what I'm working with right now. The stream seems to be working. I'll check that it worked fine. I think I've gone through all the steps I need to kind of go end-to-end OBS, from starting setup, getting your scene set up, getting to the point where you're live streaming on YouTube, and that could be on something else, but I'm going to show with YouTube. And hopefully I can show live streaming while I'm also using another client to present with. So that's going to be one of the questions about whether I can demo it that way. But that's what I'm doing today at 1 p.m. It's July 8th, 2024, ditcommunity.com. And it's a free musicians community full of resources, full of other musicians, full of studio owners, full of band managers. Anybody in the music industry can be on there and share information, create a profile. It's like a social media for musicians. And it's Canadian hosted or Canadian made, but it's worldwide. We've got people from India, from Europe, from Croatia, I believe, from Poland, from America, from Canada, all over the place. And I'm just on there every week talking about studio stuff. So this week will be live streaming, how to do it with OBS, and how to do that for your music. Because if you're a musician and you want to stream yourself so you can perform, sure, you can just set up your phone and do it on Instagram or something, but it's even better if you can set up a more professional looking feed and have, maybe you'll have someone assisting you, and you can have answer questions while chats come in and that sort of thing. So thanks for watching my test live stream. Okay, see ya.